Let's talk about writing linear equations in standard form. As we all know, linear equation follows this form. We have ax plus by is equal to c, where a, b, and c are all real numbers. X, as always, this is known to be your independent variable, and y is known to be your dependent variable. So when we talk about linear equations, these are equations wherein the variables have an exponent of 1. It must not go above 1. It must only be 1. Okay, so how do we write linear equations in standard form? So let's say this example. Let's say we have y is equal to 7x minus 3. How do we express this in standard form? And in expressing this linear equation, y equals 7x minus 3, in the standard form, we just need to transpose your 7x going to the other side of your equation. So here, we will have 7x, this will become now negative 7x. Negative 7x plus y is equal to negative 3. So now, this is the standard form of our linear equation. Standard form. Okay? Very simple. In our first example, what I did, we just need to transpose. Okay? Then next, let's say we have here, let's say we have 4x minus 12y is equal to, let's say we have negative 24. In our second example, we just have to divide our linear equation by 4. Okay, dividing 4 by both sides of our equation. So here we have 4x divided by 4 minus, we have 12y all over 4 is equal to negative 24 all over 4. We just have to divide them. So we have x minus 3y equals negative 6. And this is now in the standard form. Okay, it is already in the standard form. Why standard form? Because it already follows our pattern ax plus by is equal to c. Okay, another, let's say we have 2x plus 3y all over 4 is equal to, let's say we have 2/3. In expressing this in standard form, we need to use cross multiplication. Okay, so cross multiplying. So here it goes. That would be our process. So 3 will be multiplied with 2x plus 3y, and 2 will be multiplied by 4. So we have to distribute 3 times 2x, we have 6x. Then 3 times 3y, we have 9y is equal to 8. Okay? Now we cannot have a, let's say, a common factor that can divide all our a, b, and c. So this is now the standard form of this linear equation. Another, let's say we have y is equal to 8x minus 4 times x plus 5 minus 3y plus 1. So how do we simplify this? So here we just have to distribute y is equal to 8x, then minus 4 or negative 4 times x, we have negative 4x, then negative 4 times 5, we have minus 20, then minus 3y plus 1. Okay? Then we just have to combine like terms. We have y is equal to 8x minus 4x. That's equal to 4x, right? 4x. Then we have negative 20 or minus 20 plus 1. That's going to be equal to negative 19. Then copy here your minus 3y. However, we have here your negative 3y or minus 3y. It must be transposed going to the other side of our equation. This will be transposed here. So it will become now, since it's negative 3y, that would become now 3y plus y is equal to 4x minus 19. And now, we have to transpose your 4x going to the other side of our equation. So we have minus 4x plus 4y is equal to negative 19. So this is now our standard form. Okay? This is now our standard form of our linear equation. We have negative 4x plus 4y equals negative 19. And one more example. Let's say we have here 3x plus 4y minus 1 all over, let's say we have 4 is equal to x minus y plus 1 all over 2. So here, what do we need to do? We just have to cross multiply again. Cross multiply. So 2, you cross multiply this. So cross multiplying 2 times, we have 3x plus 4y minus 1 equals 4 times x minus y plus 1. Then you distribute. We have 6x, okay, then plus 8y, then 2 times negative 1, we have minus 2 is equal to 4x, then minus 4y, then 4 times 1, we have plus 4. Then combine like terms. Okay, so we have to transpose your 4x going here together with negative 4y or minus 4y to be transposed here. We have now 6x minus 4x plus 8y plus 4y is equal to 4. To transpose your constant here, plus 2. Okay, from minus 2 it became plus 2. Now 6x minus 4x, we have 2x, then 8y plus 4y, we have plus 12y is equal to 6. As you can see here, we have a common factor among the terms, so we have to divide this by 2. Okay, so we have 2x divided by 2, we have x, plus 12y divided by 2, we have 6y, then 6 divided by 2, we have 3. This is now the standard form of our linear equation.